see some better views here of the excavation going under. This is actually a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. So take a look at here, starting from about the southern end of the property here. You can see those reinforcement walls. So you can see all those power lines, those wood posts, have been dismantled. Looks like a lot of work as far as securing these walls. So it's a lot of work going into maintaining these walls, securing them as they excavate. You can see they have some huge PVC pipe over there. It seems like it's probably a little less chaotic now, other than that main construction area of the dome, but looks like they finished up with all the street blocks, blocking the streets and all that infrastructure that they were doing underground. That's now finished. Looks like maybe they're going to start removing these poles. Alright. There's a continuation of 102nd Street there, and then where it ends at Doty. See a couple different signs there. Not sure if that indicates different zones of this construction area zones, but you can see one after another. They're still removing a lot of dirt. There's one truck and then there's another truck, kind of similar to what I saw at SoFi, but this is not as huge of a bowl that they have to excavate. Now across the street from the Intuit Dome, we'll take a look also at the parking garage that's in development right across the way here. And then it further extends all the way to Century Boulevard. You'll be able to see. Okay, so this is across the street from Intuit Dome, the future parking garage. This is more of a rougher stage compared to what I'll show you here in a moment, closer to Century Boulevard. Alright, so over here near Prairie and Century Boulevard, you can see there's much more extensive development here in the parking garage. You see some forms that they're building, and looks like they've done some concrete work here on some supports. I guess it won't be an underground garage so much, but maybe like 3 or 4 levels of parking. Looks a little similar to what they've got going on at LAX, at one of the people mover stations. Check out this little side entryway where they have done a lot of excavation, and continues on here. Looks like it's just about finished for now, and they have some reinforcement here on the walls. So just in time for the Super Bowl, looks like the Lum Hotel has opened. Looks like there's somebody at the lobby desk that was working in there. So probably a lot of people could stay here for the Super Bowl. We'll see. We got some trucks here with some excavated dirt. A couple of loads there going out. Here at the corner of Prairie and Century Boulevard, they have some asphalt here, and it's kind of a little makeshift parking lot, probably for employees. I'm not entirely sure. Probably be the case. Makes the most sense.